Let's bring in Lakshmi Ramachandran. Let your ally also speak, sir, a little. On the charge that constantly is brought up of dynasty politics, of nepotism in the Congress, now in the DMK also. How do you respond to that?
I think Amit Shah, I think this is, people are getting tired of this, this is it's not that BJP is devoid of dinas, you think of this Tejasvi Surya in Karnataka, his uncle is an MLA, and today Sushma Swaraj's daughter is an MP. I think that list is already there in the internet. People can Google and find out for themselves. But let's talk about important issues related to Tamil Nadu. I hope before the elections, Manoj will talk to his leaders in Delhi and get us the 2,500 crores that is due to our children. It is about the poor children of Tamil Nadu who go to the government schools. These are students who come from marginalized families. They have been deprived of 2,500 crores.
That number keeps coming up. 2,500 crores.
4 lakh crores
is
is
the fourth time 2,500 crores has been mentioned.
I hope also the DMK allows the poor children of Tamil Nadu to learn a third language, like how the CBSE schools owned by the DMK, owned by the Congress, like how the third language are being allowed to learn in DMK run private schools. Why don't you allow them to learn? Your children might be knowing 3 languages, 4 languages. Why can't the poor children also learn that? Why does the DMK stop that? What is your problem with that?
We are talking in English. How was it made possible? We are here having this conversation. India today is having this conflict here in the state of Tamil Nadu in Coimbatore. How is it made possible? It is made possible because of DMK, the language war of 1965, because we ensured that there is 1 or 2 languages. English will stay here. If not,
but what is why, Mr. Saravanan, what is wrong in if the children want to learn a third language themselves? What is wrong in if the children want to learn Kannada, Telugu, English, Hindi?
Yeah, if anybody wants to learn a third language or a fourth language or a fifth language, please, you are free to do so.
Okay, show of
Absolutely
hands.
no problem.
How many of you are saying 3 languages?
We have Dakshin Bharat Prachar Sabha.
Okay, Saravanan, let's let the people decide. Let's let the audience decide.
Please go there.
Let's let the audience decide. How many of you are saying that?
Let's take a show of